Hi guys, welcome back to Alicia Christopher YouTube channel. Today I am going to YS Falls in the beautiful parish of St. Elizabeth in Jamaica. Now, as I was going, I came along Holland Bamboo. Girl, they have to come out of the car and do our photo shoot and go on with ourselves. Now, people, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell if you want to see more of your girl Alicia. Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. The avenue is approximately 2.5 miles long, with the tall bamboos forming a canopy over it. It inherited its name from the Holland sugarcane estate. Holland bamboo there, you know the big bamboo stick. So if you can't take bamboo, you don't come here.
Oh God! Yeah, if you can't take bamboo, don't come here.
Guys, we are now at YS Falls in the beautiful parish of St. Elizabeth in Jamaica. So today I am at YS Falls. Yeah, so we're gonna have some fun over here. So I'm gonna come and enjoy on myself. So we're outside. Yes, people, it's time now to pay our money to go inside. We're at the information desk where we get our tickets. So we're outside and there are inside. Inside. You're outside. You love them? Are we going here? Huh? Hello. Up with style, you know. When I come up with style, I want to up on YouTube.
If it's not live, I'm just not worried. You gotta be alive.
Show that one in front.
I want a window seat.
Come up, Tracy.
How you want?
Up with a friend. Yeah. Go there, girl. Ready? Go there, girl.
Lord.
So people, the bus come and it's now time for us to head up to the falls. Yes, we're going to do some climbing. Don't pay no mind. This is Yula. Everybody know pretty face, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to Alicia Christopher YouTube channel. So today guys, I am at YS Falls in my beautiful country of Jamaica. Right, that's so I'm good here. Come from there. I want to see come and take my seat, okay?
Now I'm going to give you a little history about YS Falls. A working estate from the early days. YS is the shortest place name in Jamaica. The current owners, the Brown family, acquired YS in 1887 when their great-granduncle John traveled to London to purchase another property in St. Anne, Jamaica. When he arrived, that property had already been sold. He decided to buy YS, never having seen it before, and it has been in the family ever since. YS was originally a cane farm with a working sugar factory. YS estate also supplied logwood for export to Europe, where the art of the logwood tree was used for the purpose of making dye. Because of synthetic dye introduction, there wasn't any need to make dye from the logwood trees. anymore. YS Falls opened in 1992. It was a nature-based attraction offering the opportunity to experience the beauty of the waterfalls surrounded by lush gardens and magnificent trees.
We are coming off the bus. Say, baby, we're in a Jamaica. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Yeah, that me know. So we are at YS Falls. Them say rain soon start. So we have to hurry up. Huh?
Yes, girl, the place so beautiful. Me, they have to do my little photo shoot. Me can't come to YS Falls and take some little photograph. You crazy?
Watch her up. Yummy, all the way. All the way.
Get your plastic. Guess I should walk it out with something.
Don't jump off of the shallow part. Come on, don't come up. Don't come off.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, leg straight. Legs up, legs up. All right, jump off though, jump off.
Did you put the beer? You did?
It's a bit slippery right here, all right? It's a bit slippery right here.
Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.